Everyone, it's Andrea, and as promised, I am here to invite you to our first community sew together of 2024. We will be making the mini Belle bag. If you follow Sewspire on Instagram or Facebook, you have seen a couple variations of this. I've been having a lot of fun with this sweet, versatile bag. So I want to tell you how you can sign up for this free sew together. You're going to hop on over to SewspireStudio365.com, and towards the top of the page there, you will see a link in the navigation for the mini Belle bag. Simply click on that and you will arrive here at the free sign up page. You just need to input your email address and your full name. It's optional if you subscribe to the email list. That is my personal e-list and how I communicate upcoming events. So you might want to consider doing so. And then click sign up for free and you are in. And this is what the mini Belle bag course page looks like. So here we are at the dashboard page. Over here in the left navigation, you'll see the links which will help you find everything you're looking for. So the second link is an introduction to the mini Belle. It tells you a little bit about the bag, and you'll also find the PDF linked at the top of that page. Down here you'll notice you can leave comments, you can ask me questions, you can share your experience with this design. So if you click on that download link, which is found at the top of all three of the pages we just talked about, that will take you right to the PDF which I have prepared for you, and you can download to your computer, save. These are your instructions for making this bag. You should have this nearby during the sew together in case you should fall behind or would like to work ahead. This is also a great spot for you to take some notes about any ideas you have as to how you might modify or improve this design. I love this bag because you can use scraps for it. It requires less than a yard of quilt weight cotton fabric. I recommend a half yard each of 2 coordinating prints. You're also going to need some lightweight fusible fleece as you're interfacing. You're welcome to try something else. Just make sure that your machine can handle whatever type of interfacing you select for this project. So I provide you all the pattern measurements and then very concise written instructions. Now, if you're a visual learner like me, these written instructions might not be enough for you to make this bag, and that's why I'm hosting the live virtual sew together. So I hope you can join me on Thursday, January 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern to make this bag.